Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to repair your Redmi Note 3 Touch, which is now not working anymore. You can see it is not working, neither you can restart it. So as you know, Redmi Note 3 have non-removable battery. So for this you will need some gadgets like a OTG connector and a mouse and a keyboard. You can use any of them. So let's start from mouse. Just plug in and now insert your mouse. Sorry, misconception. Now you can see the mouse is working fine, and now press your power button and you can see here a mouse, a cursor like this. Now go to the restart button and press restart it. Now just wait for some time and hope for the best. This issue is happening in maximum Redmi Note devices, so let's wait and wait. Now let's see it's working or not. You can see now it is working fine like this. So either you can use just unlock it. Now you can see it is working fine. In the same manner you can use your keyboard like this. Just insert your keyboard into it. Now you can see here it is detected a keyboard. Just now like this. You can use any of this from the keyboard. You can see here. You can see like this. You can select anything, volume up and down button. So it is so simple. So guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.